Hello crafters! In this video I will show you how to make these cute boo earrings from UV resin and glitter. For supplies I use clear UV resin, a mold from Amazon, a silicone stick, 3 silicone cups, and some glitter that I got on sale at Michael's right before Halloween. First we are going to pour some glitter into each bowl. Now it is time for the gloves because we're about to pour some resin into these bowls. Just enough for the earrings. I only plan on making one set, so I don't need a whole lot of resin. Now I'm going to mix up each resin with glitter and pour them into the parts of the mold. I like to add single drops at a time, or a very thin drip line. Either way, the resin will fill in and even out on its own. I go very slow. For one, this helps reduce bubbles, and two, I don't want to overfill my mold. I want each earring to look similar. Then I add some UV and demold the earrings. I decided to make some small round studs so the boo earrings can dangle. It's a similar process. I use a mold that has a little hole and just fill it in with the same colors. I love how these glitters are darker versions of what I already had. Michael's knows what it's doing when they sell these packs of colors together. I see a small air bubble on the top of the boo. I don't mind because these earrings are for me, but if I was going to give them a gift or sell these, I would fill the bubble with a little bit of clear UV resin. Sometimes the edges of these pieces are kind of sharp or not even. Depending on who the earrings are for, I might sand them down. When you sand them, sometimes it looks less shiny, so one way to fix that is to put a little bit of resin on the sanded part and it will kind of help smooth it out and make it shiny again. I am going to add the backs to the studs using some UV resin. Then add the jump rings. I like using gold when I use any type of orange because I think the colors go well together. Getting these jump rings on is always the hardest part for me. The struggle is real. Okay, time to put these on a card. I got these white cards off Amazon and I love doing the final look on the card, even if these earrings are just for me. I wore these at work and I got lots of compliments. One of my friends even asked me to make her a pair, and I did. Well, that's it for this resin tutorial. I hope you make something that brings you joy. Thanks for watching.